this is the video that SpongeBob and Thomas are fighting. Ah, what a wonderful day. Now I'm just relaxed. Hey, what are you doing here? You're like you're wearing like London. Yeah, that's because I'm from London, but you're from USA. I know, but you have to tell me what to do. You're a bald head. Did you call me bald head? What was that for? It's given for calling me a bald head. Well, I'm running away. So when SpongeBob was walking, he noticed that what he was doing. Ooh yeah, I run away. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ah ah. What? Ooh. Ow! 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 Get out of here! Get out of here! Don't come back! Roar! It didn't hurt. Ow! It does hurt. Ooh yeah! You are grounded! Yeah! Ooh. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop mocking me! You're mocking me! Just wanna be in my old drunk. I'm singing it from Vivo. I'm unlimited in my old drunk. I'm never out of my old drunk. Got to the fight at my old drunk. I got to the fight in the whole hog. I could go and ride by the with those songs. Already on my old drunk. Apakah bikin sebeki look at the song the see I mean it is on the back again. Let's do this. I wanna do it, but I'm drunk. Oh, right. Yeah, that's what you get for. Ah, 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 ah. That's the end of the video.